Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. Listing a mid-60s, but will work on a variety of basically all the 60s, late 50s, and that should do it. So CJ-5 tub. It was a customer who started the restoration and then ended up losing interest in this and getting another 5, and was doing some sort of buggy with it, and this one was kind of too good of a tub. It's definitely not a perfect tub, but for what's out there in OEM quality and the work that's kind of been done on it, is definitely in pretty good shape. But I just want to, kind of run through it with you, show you a quick video so you see is exactly as you were going to get it. The top cowl area looks like they've already done possibly either a patchwork or just started, I'm not sure, putting a little bit of filler in there, but that's excellent shape. Up where the windshield frame goes, that's in great shape. The floorboards, obviously, area looks like it looks like they cut out pretty much all the soft stuff. So that's ready to be patched. And you can see kind of where they got it down to the sheet metal. And like I said, they've pretty much cut away all the rust in it. You could either replace the floorboards completely or just make do with these. Since there's material here, you can see there's the original wood they put in these things. Back area is in great shape. I assume with all these little drill holes in it that these were either dings or, I'm not really sure, but looks like they had pulled some stuff in them. Like I said, most of this stuff has been started, so this side looks like it was done with the, the little holes were there and they were filled in, so and whatnot. So I'll get it in there here in a second and show you the underside of it, but I just want to give you an overview of the sides of it, corners of it. Definitely a little bit of coming up in that corner there, but for what it is, an original Jeep tub, it's not terrible. There's a little bit of rust in that area there, and then back to your firewall, and again the floorboards, this one here and whatnot. So let me get this thing in the air. A little cold here in Denver right now. Come on, Gunny. Okay, so undercarriage, obviously we've seen all this from above, but you can see the underside of this thing is actually pretty clean too, other than, again, some of the areas here. The seams aren't terrible, does have a little bit of rust here. Wheel wells are pretty solid. Definitely something to start with. And I know the guys on the East Coast, Midwest, that have those really, really bad rust problems are gonna be all over this tub, so I'm sure it won't last long. But we want you to be happy and we want you to know what you're getting, so we like to do these photos and nice videos of them. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up because I got one more to do tonight. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, 303-666-9020. We get other tubs in too. Prices kind of range. They can get all the way up to $4,500 for like an absolutely perfect one, which I've only had maybe 1 or 2 over the years. But we'll make you a deal on this one, and we ship fully crated. We ship all over the world. Thanks a lot.